Hello and welcome to a new episode on New Learn channel. Today I'm going to show you how to build, simulate, and use an automatic braking assistant using an ultrasonic sensor. This project is just a simulation, but it can be translated into the real world by using the appropriate components. This project is very useful to show you how a car equipped with the radar works in preventing a collision with another car or with a pedestrian. The goal of this project is that maybe someone in the future will be able to implement it and use it on a larger scale, and that way there will be no future accidents. Now I will put all the relevant links on the description of the project down below. I will simulate this project to show you how it works. On this serial monitor, as you can see, val A is 0, that is the braking force simulated using a potentiometer. Car speed is 9, this is the other potentiometer that simulates the speed of the car in kilometers an hour. And the distance is simulated by this radar. The servo motor will simulate the master cylinder piston, which pushes brake fluid to the brake pads. But the best way to show you how this works is just to start the simulation. And on the serial monitor, we'll see all the data that we need. So if I'm going to move this potentiometer upwards, you will see the servo motor moving, and of course, val A increasing. If I'm going to put it down, you'll see the servo motor goes down. Now, if I'm going to move the other potentiometer called speed, you'll see the speed increases or decreases. And of course, the distance is simulated with the help of this ultrasonic sensor. As you can see, it's 199.98 centimeters. It varies. But if I'm going to move it lower, you will see the distance decreases. 123, so 36 centimeters. So it's from 0 centimeters and the best that I can simulate, I think it's 1 centimeter, up to almost 3 meters. Even more than that. So the simulation is based on these limits. Now, let's say we have a speed of 31 kilometers an hour. 35 should be good. And the object in front of the car is right now at 233 centimeters. So the car would not stop automatically because the distance is not lower or equal to 160 centimeters. Now let's lower the distance and we will see how the automatic braking assistant intervenes. Let's take it to 100 and that's it. It's below 160. As you can see, the LED is on, and of course the master cylinder piston works, activating the brakes. If we are going to increase the distance, as you can see, the master cylinder piston goes back to position 0 and the cars can move forward. But if we apply the brake inside the car, okay, and now we lower the distance again, you will see the LED blinking. because the brake was applied but not with enough force to avoid a collision. So the braking assistant had to intervene and to stop the car. And of course, if the distance in front of the obstacle increases again, as you can see, the master cylinder piston goes back to zero, and this servo motor will stay in the position that the braking force is applied. If we increase that, it will increase the position. If we decrease that, it will decrease the position. That means the braking pedal is not applied. Of course, the car speed stays the same, but let's say we are going to increase the car speed to 60 kilometers an hour. 52, 56, that's it, a bit more. 60, 72, 57. Okay, 57 should be alright. Now, of course, the distance to stop the car safely and to avoid any accidents, it's longer. So it's about 2 meters as I simulated here. Now, if the obstacle goes closer and closer, we'll see when it reaches 2 meters or below that, the brake will be applied automatically. In the real world, it moves a lot faster. And the LED is on, which shows us that the automatic braking assistant has intervened. If the distance increases, the brake will not be applied anymore. So, if you enjoyed this video, please give a like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.